Hello and welcome. Today is day 23 of my 30-day cyber challenge. I'm still working on the Introduction to Cybersecurity learning path. We are in the Intro to Defensive Security module, working out of the Intro to Digital Forensics room. Today is task 3, and task 3 is practical example of digital forensics. For this room, we are going to use an attack box, so you can just go ahead and click the attack box button, which is going to be located to the left of the help button here. You can just select the button. It'll open in the split screen view. It'll take about maybe a minute and a half, 2 minutes to load, and then we're off and running. All right. Everything we do on our digital devices, from smartphones to computers, leaves traces. Let's see how we can use this information in a subsequent investigation. Our cat Gatto has been kidnapped. The kidnapper has sent us a document with the requests in an MS Word document format. We have converted the document to a PDF format and extracted the image from the Word file for our convenience. So we can download the attached files to our local machine for inspection, which is here. We can just download and follow along in our local device. Or of course, for our convenience, these files have been loaded to the attack box already. And to follow along, we need to open the terminal on the attack box, then go to the directory of root, rooms, intro, digital forensics, as shown here. And in the following output, we changed to the directory containing the case files. So we're going to do that now. Open the terminal. I'm going to do pwd just to take a look where we're at. Oh, let's use a P instead of an O. All right, we're in root. Let's take a look at what we got inside. And let's change to rooms. And then let's check inside again. Let's change to intro, digital forensics. And take a look inside one more time. Boom. Now we got the case files. All right, let's scroll down. Okay, so document metadata. When you create a text file, TXT, some metadata gets saved by the operating system, such as file creation date, last modification date. However, much information gets kept within the file's metadata when you use a more advanced editor, such as Word. Now, there are various ways to read the file metadata. You might open them within the official viewer/editor, or use a suitable forensic tool. Note that exporting the file to other formats, such as PDF, would maintain most of the metadata of the original document, depending on the PDF writer used. All right, let's scroll down. Let's see what we can learn from the PDF file. We can try to read the metadata using the program of PDF Info. PDF Info displays various metadata related to a PDF file, such as title, subject, author, creator, and creation date. Now, the attack box already has PDF Info installed. However, if we're using a Kali Linux and we do not have it installed, we can follow this command below. Whoop, right here, and we can install it. But considering the example, we can follow this example given, which is PDF info document.pdf. So that's the example they provided. And we can see here the output that they've received. So we're going to use PDF info against our PDF file. And then it's ransom letter dot PDF. Boom. So we can see here the PDF metadata clearly shows that it was created on a Word format of Office 365 on October 10th of 2018. So we can see that here, and the creator producer. And on our side, we can see the creation date is February 23rd of 22. It was also done on Word 2016. And we have our author here, Anne Gree Shepherd. So our title is Pay Now and subject of We Have Gatto. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this because I just glanced over, and our first question is using PDF info. Find out the author of the attached PDF file, ransomletter.pdf. So we're going to drop that in, hit paste, submit, boom, there we go. Now we're going to work with photo EXIF data. EXIF stands for Exchangeable Image File Format. It is a standard for saving metadata to image files. Whenever you take a photo with your smartphone or with your digital camera, plenty of information gets embedded in the image. The following are examples of metadata that can be found in the original digital image, such as camera model, smartphone model, date and time of image capture, photo settings such as focal strength or focal length, aperture, shutter speed, and the ISO settings. Because smartphones are equipped with GPS sensors, finding GPS coordinates embedded in the image is highly probable. The GPS coordinates, i.e. latitude and longitude, would generally show the place where the photo was taken. There are many online and offline tools to read the EXIF data from images. One command line tool is EXIF tool. EXIF tool is used to read and write metadata in various file types, such as JPEG images. Now the attack box already has the EXIF tool installed. However, of course, if we're using a Kali Linux and we do not have it installed, we can use the following command to do so. Now in the following terminal window, we executed EXIF tool image.jpg as their example to read all the EXIF data embedded in this image. So this is their output example. If you take the above coordinates and search one of the online maps, you will learn about this location. Searching Microsoft Bing Maps or Google Maps and we can read here, the 51 degrees, so on, reveals the street where the photo was taken. Note that for the search to work, we had to change degree with the actual symbol of degree and remove the extra white space. In other words, they had to type out 51 degree symbol, so on, in the map search bar to get an actual search. Using EXIF tool or any similar tool, try to find where the kidnappers took the image they attached to their document. What is the name of the street? Okay, so we need to run EXIF tool on our image, which our image is here. Oh, let's close out of this. We're going to copy that. We're going to run an EXIF tool, space, paste. Should be good there. Clear that white space. Hit enter. Oh my. And it looks like GPS position 50 degree 30, 5190, 3073. So this is the same coordinates. We can see that here. And let's open up Google Maps. Let's drop in our coordinates. Let's hit search. Can't find. Okay. Oh no, we don't want to drop out of our room. See, mistakes have been made. That's all right. Scroll back down, get our place. Okay, let's open up in a new window. That's what we want to do. Oh, it was putting in all this extra. Let's clear that out. Now let's run it. Oh, we need to get the one without the degree. Man, let's do this right. There we go. Alright, 8 Russia row. And I have done this exercise before. I know that Russia Road is not the correct name. And it's actually Milk Street. It's right here. Nice. What is the model name of the camera used to take this photo? Let's close out of this. And I know this is at the top somewhere. Usually I try to look past all the settings. And when you start getting close, you can tell from, I think, like firmware or something, and then it's shortly thereafter. Oh, I think I just saw it. No. No, I had to have. Scroll back down. Aha. Make and model. So it's a Canon EOS R6. Copy. Paste. Submit. Boom. There we go. That is it for task 3. We're going to scroll up. We've completed all 3. We're going to go ahead and close out of these items here. We're going to terminate our machine. All right, completing all 3 completes this room and also completes day 23. That's it for today.